The Occupational Health and Safety Act also sets out important health and safety rights for workers. These are meant to further protect workers and promote their health and safety. Workers have the right to know or to be informed. Workers have the right to participate in health and safety on the farm or workplace. Workers have the right to refuse unsafe work or refuse work you think could put you in danger. So first, workers have the right to know or to be informed of any hazard that they may encounter at the workplace that could negatively affect their health and safety. This right goes with the responsibilities of employers and supervisors to inform and train workers, because again, for a worker to keep safe and support the safety of others around them, they need to be aware and understand the hazard or danger and understand how to work safely. So currently, farm workers have the right to be informed about COVID-19 risks at their workplace and housing, and be trained or informed on how to work or spend time in housing safely. As part of the right to know or be informed, health and safety representatives or joint health and safety committee members have the right to access all reports pertaining to health and safety at the workplace so that they can be informed to do their work more effectively. Workers have the right to participate, the right to ask questions about work and safety practices. It does not matter how many times one asks a question. If you do not understand something related to the work or safety practices, ask again. This is your right, and ensuring you understand will help keep you and others safe. This also includes the right to bring up safety concerns you may have to supervisors or employers, or bring up safety ideas and participate in discussions and the development of solutions to ensure health and safety in the workplace. The Occupational Health and Safety Act recognizes that worker participation is crucial to health and safety at the workplace. This also includes the right to participate in health and safety through electing and communicating with health and safety reps or committees. Workers have the right to refuse unsafe work. You can legally refuse to do work that you think might hurt you or another worker on the job. Your employer does not have the right to fire you for doing this. Sometimes workers are worried about losing their jobs for refusing to do unsafe work. There is a specific way to do this so that you are protected by the Occupational Health and Safety Act. If you refuse work in the following way, your employer cannot punish you without breaking the law. First, tell your supervisor or employer right away that you feel the work is unsafe and give your reasons. Your employer, in the presence of a worker member of the Joint Health and Safety Committee or Health and Safety Rep, must investigate the problem. You need to remain in a safe place and be available for the investigation. If your concern is addressed in a way that makes you feel safe, you can return to work and the situation is resolved. If you have grounds for believing the work is still unsafe, tell your employer. If your concern is not addressed, you can continue to refuse the work. You, your employer or worker joint committee member or representative must then call the Ministry of Labor, Training and Skills Development so an inspector can investigate the situation. While the ministry inspector investigates, you may be given other work during normal working hours or be given other directions. The inspector will provide a written decision. If your employer tries to punish you in any way for refusing work you feel is unsafe, for example, cutting your hours or firing you, contact the Ministry of Labor for information and guidance on what to do, because this is illegal. This video was produced by staff from the Occupational Health Clinics for Ontario Workers, or OCHO.